Yes, dear students, today we are going to discuss the remaining paragraph of the fourth paragraph. Uh, in fourth paragraph, we had mm, 4 or 5 sentences remains to discuss in previous class. Today we are going to discuss about that 4 or 5 sentences today. So in this paragraph, the matter is what? Even recycling of plastic causes problems. So here, recycling means what? Recycling. Do you know the meaning of recycling? Yes? Marubalake. Recycling is marubalake. So sit down please. Recycling means marubalake. It means after using, what we have to do? We dispose the things outside, and those things are taking use of once again. That is called recycle. How? They are gathering all the waste materials and use those materials to prepare another materials. That is recycling. Waste materials are once again we are going to use the next form of the materials are called recycling. Okay, so this is the one of the process. So in this process, the recycling of plastic causes problems. This is what this is going to happening on the environment. The recycling of the plastic causes hazards are the problem. The worst thing is that recycling degrades the quality of plastic. What? By recycling, so the process of recycling, it degrades the quality of plastic. So the plastic is mainly a worst thing for the environment. We have to know this thing first. Plastic is, first of all, it is the worst thing for the environment. First of all, it is the worst thing for the environment. Even this worst thing, we are going to use again. Again, we are making different things by using the same plastic. So this causes what? Degrades the quality of plastic. Degrades the quality of plastic. It means it weakens the quality. It weakens the quality of the plastic. And the more production, it leads to more production of plastic. And it leads to more production of plastic. And a single plastic sheet can take 1,000 years to biodegrade or rot. So a single plastic sheet can take 1,000 years. So as it has the quality of long lasting, it takes more than 1,000 years to rot. And it also has bad impact on the food chain. So food chain is very important to all human beings, because day to day we are taking food from the fields, and we are using much quantity of chemicals. Already we are using chemicals for fast growing foods. So here plastic also impacting on the food chain. Our food chain system is impacted by the plastic, and plastic is one of the causes for global warming. This is very, very dangerous today. Nowadays, global warming. Global warming means the increase of temperature in the environment. The increase of temperature, the temperature is day by day increasing. Day by day the temperature increasing. The increase of this temperature is causes global warming. Global warming. It is plastic also take part to increase the temperature. That's why plastic causes for the global warming. So this is what about in the remaining fourth paragraphs matter. So here even recycling. So here are some points here. We have to remain in our mind. Recycling of plastic. What? Recycling of plastic is worst and degrades the quality of plastic, and it leads to more production of plastic, and the plastic seed can take 1,000 years to rot, and it also impact on the food chain, and it impact on global warming. These are the things which are impacting on the nature by uses of plastic. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಹ ವಸ್ತು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಈ ಮರುಬಳಕೆ, ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ನ ಮರುಬಳಕೆಯಿಂದ ಏನಾಗಲಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ನ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟ ಇವತ್ತೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಲಿದೆ. ಅದರ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಲಿದೆ. ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಆಗಲಿದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಬೇಡಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ದು ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಗೆ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಹಾರ ಸರಪಳಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪರಿಣಾಮವನ್ನು ಬೀರತೈತಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದು ಜಾಗತಿಕ ತಾಪಮಾನವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅನೇಕ ಕಾರಣಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೊಳಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ವರ್ಷಗಳು ಏನಾಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪರಿಸರ ಹಾನಿ ಆಗತೈತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ